The 4200 frozen mixer mincer incorporates all the strengths and features of the 4000 series, but has been designed and structurally engineered with a heavy-duty reinforced bowl and paddle to withstand higher forces and the demands of processing tempered blocks and hard frozen product. This has been achieved through Thompson's purpose-designed feed screw, in-feed bellow, paddle and double-cut knife and plate system. This machine, like the other in the series, is usually a 2-speed. However, to maximise the benefits of this machine when processing frozen product, we recommend the variable speed drive control option to deliver additional flexibility. This option enables maximum processing output through all plate sizes and product combinations. What's special about the 4200 frozen mixer mincer is that it can use a relatively low power 15 kilowatt drive motor to process hard frozen product, which generally requires other manufacturers to use much larger motors, some as much as 50 kilowatts and higher. With these unbeatable options, the message is clear. If you're looking for a mixer mincer that easily outperforms the other machines on the market, but for a lot less money, you can't go past the Thompson 4000 series.